Believe it or not, Bubble's latest tools that they released to show you how many workflow units you're using are a great tool to use to find areas of your application that need to be optimized. Let me show you. So go over into your Logs tab. Once you're in the Logs tab, you'll see this graph. And so you'll see workflows, page loaded, app data, APIs, exports, all that kind of stuff. Now you can see what is causing the most workflow units. And for me, it's workflows itself. So if I click onto here, I can start to see all the different types of workflows that are causing a lot of the workflow usage. And then I can get even deeper into the specific workflow itself. And that is a really easy way to identify what areas of my application that I need to optimize. That will not only save me workflow units, which makes my app cheaper to run, but also it will increase the performance because I'm requiring less of Bubble itself. So make sure that you're heading over to the log section of your application and you're checking this on a regular basis because it's a really helpful way to make sure that you're keeping your app highly performant and affordable to use. So if you enjoyed this tip, please follow me for more.